Alright, so what we're looking at, 5.7 hemi Dutch ram. We're going to get the PCV valve, replacing replacing the PCV valve. So let's do that. So after you take the intake out, basically your PCV valve is in here. All I have to do is just turn it counterclockwise. Get some pliers. And turn it counterclockwise. Like so. Oh man, that's tight. There you go. So you just keep turning until it just pop out. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. It still works, but man, it's dirty. Alright, so what I have here is mineral spirit, just enough to sink this PCB valve, because as you can see, really dirty, full of carbon. So I'm going to immerse this PCB valve here on the mineral spirit hill, and what I'm going to do, I'm gonna leave it sit there for all night, and we'll see tomorrow morning. You can see it's already dissolving the carbon. Look at that. See how the carbon dissolved by the chemical? Trying to find a right angle here for the lights. Alright, see how dark carbon buildup here. That's because of the oil sucked in there. So this is one of the reason I'm putting oil catch can. So I cleaned the throttle a little bit, as you can see. Now it's a lot cleaner, and also the hole for the PCV bulb, clean as you can. Alright, here we go. Clean the bulb as I can. Make sure it's the bulb itself will move freely, as you can see. If you tilt it like this, see that it's moving. Make sure the bulb is moving freely, right? That means it's not stuck, as you can see. There you go. So let's put this back. Alright, put it back. Same thing as when you take it out. Just insert it like that. It's a little bit stuck here. Okay. There's a lot of carbon buildup in there. That's why it's having hard time. So there's actually say something in here on. To turn it on, you just turn it counterclockwise. Oh. Okay, I think you're gonna need a tool for this. Alright, here we go. Turn it counterclockwise. There you go. And it's turning. There you go. Now it's locked. Or turn it clockwise, not counterclockwise. Sorry. So you gotta turn it clockwise, and it should turn go in. So alright, so that's it for that PCV bulb. Thank you for watching.